Get ready to conquer new horizons with the all-new 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser, built for adventure and designed for the bold. The 2025 FJ Cruiser carries forward its iconic retro-inspired design with modern updates. Up front, you'll find that the classic round headlights have been replaced by an aggressive style LED headlight for enhanced visibility on and off the road, and a bold grille. Its robust, boxy shape remains true to the original, ensuring durability and a distinctive presence. The high ground clearance, reinforced skid plates, and chunky all-terrain tires are a clear statement. This SUV is ready for any challenge. The smaller, non-full-sized rear doors have been kept as an homage to the past FJ Cruiser. From the rear, the FJ Cruiser continues its rugged aesthetic with new LED taillights and the signature rear-mounted spare tire, a nod to its adventurous spirit and a feature that other Toyota SUV no longer carries. Step inside and you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The 2025 FJ Cruiser offers a spacious interior with water-resistant upholstery, perfect for those who don't shy away from the elements. The dashboard combines rugged durability with modern convenience. A large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected, while the analog controls ensure reliability even in the toughest conditions. With its versatile seating and ample cargo space, the FJ Cruiser is ready for any adventure, whether you're heading off the grid or just across town. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ Cruiser is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 295 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth power delivery and good old reliability whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rough terrain. Equipped with Toyota's advanced 4WD system, locking differentials, and multiple terrain modes, the FJ Cruiser is engineered to handle the most challenging environments with ease. Snow, sand, gravel, rocks, and mud is not a problem for this SUV. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser blends timeless design with modern capability, making it the ultimate SUV for those who seek adventure without limits. Are you ready to explore?